Manchester United star Paul Pogba says it is his dream to play for Real Madrid, and he reveals there have been no talks with Ed Woodward about a new contract, as he openly talks for a move away from Manchester United. So Paul Pogba has hinted at a move away from Manchester United by stating it would be a dream to join Real Madrid, as his Old Trafford contract runs down. The Frenchman's contract at the Premier League Giants expires in just 10 months, and the 27-year-old has admitted that the Red Devils chief, Ed Woodward, has not approached him over a new deal. Pogba has been strongly linked with a move from United for around a year, especially when he missed much of the last season with a long-term injury, and agent Mino Raiola fired shots at the club for a lack of sporting direction. Despite Pogba remaining a key player at Old Trafford this season, he told a press conference for the French national team on Thursday, "Yes, all football players would love to play for Real Madrid. It is a dream for me, why not one day? Okay, I'm in Manchester and I love my club. I'm playing in Manchester United and I'm having fun, and I want to do everything to put the club where it deserves to be. I will give everything to the max, like my teammates." Manchester United are currently in a crisis on the pitch after their 6-1 defeat to Tottenham Hotspur last weekend, and they left 60th in the Premier League table. Thank you for watching, guys, this video. Subscribe our channel for more news about football.